Hey Kenneth, this is Ryan over at Audi VW Fall River. I just want to thank you for coming in last night looking at the 23 Audi Q7 for you and your wife. I just wanted to take the liberty and put a little special video together for her because she wasn't with you last night. Stay tuned. Hey Kenneth, this is Ryan over at Audi VW Fall River, and I just want to take a minute and highlight some of the features on the 2023 Audi Q7 that you purchased last night. I'm just going to dive right in, Kenneth. You're going to notice that new upgraded LED light. It is really smooth on the new Q7. You're going to notice all the safety features are in the front bumper. You get an updated camera right here, front view, the new chrome rings with the big grille looking at you. Follow me around this way. You're going to notice big Pirellis on the Q7 all season. I love these tires. You don't feel anything, especially when they're new. Great body lines on the Q7. You're going to notice some changes there, Kenneth. You're going to notice keyless entry on both doors. Same feature you have now, just it looks a little bit cooler. Making our way to the back, just like the front, Kenneth, it has all upgraded LED tails. So the brake lights, reverse lights, every light was upgraded. Has a nice backup camera back here. You get a nice little washer for when cleaning the windows. It'll actually clean your backup camera. All the safety features running through the bumper. You get a nice little tow package and electrical hookup in case you're moving stuff. And when I open the hatch up, you're going to notice comes fully equipped. You get rear privacy shade for when not using the third row, summer mats, rear cargo protection, basically everything. Updated LED lighting running through here. Now a lot of this is going to look the same. There's just going to be some new upgrades. We'll go over those. Now I just want to point out, you get the full upgrade compressor, everything in the car that you're used to. I want to say this is all going to look the same to you, Kenneth. So I want to go ahead and point something out. You get the power tailgate with the height adjustment right there. If I hold this down till the chime, it'll actually set to my son's height setting, which is really cool. On groceries, he gets all the groceries, brings the bags in the house. Follow me right this way to the back, Kenneth. I just want to highlight some of the room inside the Q7. Now you know about the electronic third row, but I just want to highlight some of the features back here. You get electronic climate control, you get USB Type-C access, 12-volt access for when going on a trip, when using a laptop. This is upgraded black leather. I know I pointed this out at night. In 2017-18, your leather kind of looked gray after a few years when you went with the black leather option. This one's upgraded. It looks really black. I love that feature. You get all LEDs running through the doors, through the dash, through the column, all the way to this side. And I want to point out it has Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound system. It's my must-have when driving an Audi. Now follow me to the front, where you and your wife are going to be doing a lot of day-to-day driving. You're going to be sitting up here, so I want to go over some of the features that you're going to be used to on a day-to-day. Hey Kenneth, this is Ryan over at Audi VW Fall River, sitting in the 2023 Audi Q7. You get nice automatic lighting, memory seating, power folding mirrors, heated with blind spot monitoring. Those features are included in this model. You get easy access to your rear tailgate, so you can open and close it from inside the car, which is really nice. You're going to notice behind the steering wheel, you get a full upgrade. Full navigation with Google Maps that allows you to personalize and customize the look. Big upgrade right there. So you get a nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Adaptive cruise control, which I'll show you guys in person. But mainly, you get a nice touchscreen, just like your cell phone. Has a nice haptic feel, so you'll notice if I just literally press everything, works just like your cell phone. Really, really cool. You get Apple and Android Auto connected wirelessly through the touchscreen. Now, if you make your way down here, you'll have a second touchscreen, which is also really simple, really easy to use with the climate control. I want to say it's really cool and futuristic. Heated seats. Notice LEDs run all through here at night. It's really, really nice. This is their updated short throw shifter with the park button right there. So I just want to point out that it has a wireless phone charger under here. It's nice to see they brought it back. Now making your way over here, you'll notice the black leather that I was talking about in the back. That's all new and upgraded. You get a nice poly inlay that runs through all the doors and dash, giving you a nice cool look with this piano black running through. Really cool, really sleek what they did. You'll notice all the vents in here. Making our way up here, you'll notice touch motion lighting. Really, really nice. There's no buttons up here. It's all touch. So if somebody ran their finger by, there's a good chance they put their light on. Now, The Q7 has a big panoramic sunroof with a power shade. It's one of my favorite features in a big SUV. It makes you feel less claustrophobic. Hey Kenneth, this is Ryan over at Audi VW Fall River. I want to thank you for watching the video on the 2023 Audi Q7. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding the SUV, call me on my personal number, 401-529-9919. Thanks again, Kenneth.